gonna get started with 1 box of yellow cake mix. Now right away, we're gonna grab some delicious apple cider. Grab 1 cup of your favorite apple cider and go ahead and pour it right on top of that cake mix. We'll follow it up with 1 egg, 1/4 cup of butter, and also about 3 tablespoons of some pumpkin pie spice. Now, if you didn't have pumpkin pie spice, you can use cinnamon and nutmeg. I just had this in the kitchen, and I just think it's so easy because everything's combined in there, so I love using that. We'll give that a mix, just combining the cake mix. We have the apple cider, the pumpkin pie spice. What else we got in there? The butter. And that's it, really. We're just working with a few ingredients here, you guys. Bringing some fall into the kitchen and putting that apple cider into that cake mix is gonna be absolutely delicious, along with that pumpkin pie filling. Oof, I can't wait to show you what we're doing. All right, that looks great. Everything is whipped up together, and you know what? That looks so creamy. Oof, you know what? I'm just gonna taste it.
Try it.
I'm gonna try it.
How is it?
Wow. Oh my gosh. They taste just like apple cider donuts, and that's exactly what we're going for. So let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this batter right here, and we're gonna come right over. Now I'm gonna start to carefully get some of this batter out, and we're gonna just place it right here into our little donut pan. Now, no worries. If you do not have one of these, you can always use a muffin tin as well. There we go, you guys. With a little patience, we have successfully filled up our donut pan. But like I said, if you don't have one of those, it's okay. You can also do muffins as well. But these apple cider donuts are gonna blow your mind. Let's pop them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about 13 to 15 minutes, and stick around because they are going to be delicious. Our apple cider donuts are almost done. So I am gonna throw together nice and quickly here a little bit of brown sugar. I would say maybe about 3 or 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then we'll add the same of white sugar. So I'm gonna grab this right here out of my bag. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. It's not too technical, so don't get too caught up over it. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of sugar, just a couple tablespoons as well. And then also we'll add in some cinnamon. So we're just combining some brown sugar, some regular sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon. This is going to be so good. I'm just gonna take my clean hands, mix that all together. This is gonna be delicious, dusted over those donuts. That's what I'm talking about right there. So once you have that all set up, just set it to the side until those donuts are ready. Our donuts are done and they look delicious. All right, we're just gonna pop this donut right out of here. Look at that, it comes right out, and we'll place it right onto our plate. These are looking good. Let's slide these right back over here and bring in that cinnamon brown sugar mix that we made, and we're just gonna sprinkle that all over the top of our apple cider donuts. Now, of course, you kind of wanna make them and wait for them to cool down, but when they are a little bit warm, it makes it easier for the cinnamon sugar to stick on to that donut. And then here we go, look at that. So we just have our little donut here covered with cinnamon sugar, and it's going in my mouth. Oh my gosh, look at the inside there. Tastes like the perfect apple cider cake donut. Amazing. Wow, these are perfect for fall. I hope you guys love them. Let me know if you give them a try. Of course, if you're gonna change it up in any way, I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you later.